How to delete invite message on Instagram. If any day you are an Instagram user and you mistakenly send the invite message on Instagram and you would like to delete it but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to tap on Instagram application. After you tap on that, Instagram application will be launched on your mobile device. Now, what you can do is you can search the very person there and you can search to any of the person that you like. After you search the very person there, now you have to tap on the very account of the person. Now, if any day you send the very message of invite like this to the very person and you would like to just delete the very invite message, then first of all, you have to tap on that. For example, you can see the invitation sent will be shown like this. Now, you have to tap on the message. Now, after you tap on the message, if you do not see the option of unsend out there, you have to now go and tap it once again and then go to the very person's profile and then go to the three dots on the top. After you go to the three dots on the top, you have to go to the option of block there and then go to the option of block. And after you tap on the option of the block, now the very person won't receive the very message of invite. And this way, if you would like to just again unblock the person, the invite message won't go to the very person. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.